my god. Hello! Today we continue to dive into the 5-star rated items from Temu, and we're gonna rate them and test them and see if they're worth 5 stars or less. So let's start this. The first thing that we'll be trying today is something very funky. So this basically is called 16 color glitter liquid eyeliner stick sequin sparkling fine tip eyeliner stick, easy apply, long wear, waterproof eye makeup, yada yada yada. I have chosen this one in purple because I'm a sucker for purple and I absolutely love this color. And this is what do we have. It looks very sparkly, very promising. This was £1.98. Get closer and closer. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh yeah, I mean the glitter is very chunky, but oh yeah, it definitely does what it says. Theory is great, in practicality not that great. It was very difficult to make some lines. I don't even know what mess is this. It feels like a proper nail liquid polish on my eyes, which is not the best feeling. And I must say my eyes started to get a little bit red / itchy. Maybe that is not as exciting as I thought. So for that I will rate this eyeliner pretending color thing 1 star out of 5. The next thing that we'll be trying is a piece of shoe eraser, sneaker cleaning eraser for shoes and boots, and it was sold for more than 76,000 times and it was only £1.49. This is what we're talking about. It's basically
a gimmicky sort of cleaning shoe thingy.
I think it's just basically a huge ass razor, and especially for this video I kept my sneakers as dirty as possible. Not that I'm not dirty all the time. This is what we have. It literally looks like a rubber. Does it work? Okay, the rubber definitely gets very filthy. Now, this is definitely one of those things that look so cool, but the reality just kicks in. So for that, I'm gonna give it 0 out of 5 stars. I don't think it's worth it. Now, this next product, I'm the most excited to use because it was only £1.67 and it is a Strong Pulse Cosmetic Wrinkle Reducer, like a device, a beauty that's supposed to reduce my wrinkles. For this price, I'm all for it. And this is what we have inside. It's a very tiny guy. Like, oh my goodness, this looks proper luxe. Look at this color and touch and everything. It's been sold for more than 63,000 times, which makes me think it must be good. Whoa.
I hope it's good, because if it is...
Let's see. I am so aware to put this on my face. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Okay, how is that supposed to help with your wrinkles? It's generally only like vibrating. We'll try once again on my forehead. Oh my god, that is so strange, genuinely. I don't see how this will work with the wrinkles. It just literally vibrates into your face. I guess
it does something.
But I really don't trust this type of stuff. Like, the beauty gadgets there are always so questionable. So because of that, I'm gonna give this a 2 stars out of 5. The next 5-star rated product that I've got is called Freckle pen. It was only £1.79 and I got it in the shade Light. I quite love the packaging, I'm not gonna lie. It feels very slick. Oh, this has a very felted tip. Never been a big fan of this trend of doing my own freckles, because if you have them, you're a natural beauty and you don't want to cover them. But if you don't have them, then that's fine, you know. You don't have to be like, whoa, gotta get freckles because everyone got freckles. This definitely works, and I think I'm gonna give it 4 stars out of 5. I know that the winter is over, but the next thing is a must, because I've seen it's been sold for more than 100,000 times, which is insane. It was £1.07 and we're talking about this. Basically, self-heating soaps. This idea is genius because I'm always finding myself with cold feet, even right now. So if this is gonna help,
it's gonna be my new bestie.
They look very interesting. They have this pattern going on and they are very short. The fabric fabric feels very polyester slash not natural in the slightest. I'm gonna change my current socks with this one and see how long it takes to warm my feet. I had them on my feet for like 3 minutes now, I guess, and my feet are still very cold. I'm still waiting for that miracle to happen. These are my socks. I mean, they're on, and I'm still waiting. So
2 hours later.
my feet are still bloody frozen. So because of that, I'm gonna give them 1 star out of 5, just because they have that cool pattern. So let's crack this open and see what we have. Okay, they all fell. Very tiny, very cute actually. I bet it's just some cheap.
Chip shit, basically, because that's why you get on Temu.
This is what we have. I'm not sure if you can see anything. I hope you do. Anyway, I'll put it on my ears and I'll be right back. Okay, these earrings are okay for one-time use because as you can see my ear is all bloody red. It was a bit tricky to put them on, not gonna lie. But I wouldn't go for them like on a daily basis because it would be such a pain to take them on and off all the time. So for that, I'm gonna give them 3 stars out of 5. The next 5-star rated product is a household item, as you could tell. And this is one-piece strong magic sponge brush for cleaning clothes, pans, glitters, and knives. It was only 37 pence, so I hope it works. And let me get my dirty pan.
1 eternity later.
Okay, I'm happy to tell you that that definitely worked. You could tell this is the bead that I've tried to make it cleaner, and it definitely feels smoother and cleaner. And look at all this yellow beads. This gets 5 stars out of 5. Perhaps the first one with 5 stars rate. We'll be ending on something very exciting. I mean, I hope.
Always exciting for you, as is for me.
And it's basically 3 little balls, and they promise to get away all of the pet hair that I have on my clothes. And they have this cute little panda. Oh my goodness, they look very funky. I hope they do something. So let's cut to the video where I show you if it removes the hair or not. So I have tons of cat hair on this hoodie just because it's white, and you can see all the black hairs from my little Oscar.
2 hours later.
Okay, my clothes are still covered in hair. You can't really see it only here if you really look close. So that didn't work. So for that, I'm gonna rate it 0 out of 5 stars. Nice try, Temu. Alrighty, I feel like this time we had only 1 item with 5 stars, which is a bit sad, but that's okay because from Temu, you never know what to expect. I really enjoy testing these things, and I really love browsing the things on their website because there are so many things I'm like,
They look too good to be real.
so if you like this video, please do let me know. I can make more, and of course do subscribe, smash the huge thumbs up, and until next time, bye.